everyone to just shuffle over just a little bit this way so we can see you. Can we see everyone on the screen? All right, this is good. So, we're going to do animation, which is different than making a movie. We have to think about how things actually move. Like, we have to think about, okay, what does it actually look like when a bird flaps its wings? There we go. Yeah, getting right into it. We're not going to animate this one picture at a time. Okay? Our wings at our side. Severio, go ahead. One photo. We're going to lift our arms just a little bit. Okay? And then just a little bit